Hey everyone, it's Danielle again, Danielle Deckard, the author of Catch You Feel Good, ... You get the point, don't you? I just wanted to share an insert of my book. And don't worry, you don't have to pay for it. It's free 99. Come with me. It's called Self, Let Me Talk With Thee. It's on pages 36 and 37. Lady, don't cry. I exist outside the mirror too. I am right here with you. Let's dry those tears together. You are now free. The safest place for you to dream is inside of your room. Come out. No one will bother you. Allow me to elaborate. Let your life flow as smooth as the rhythm to your favorite song. Hiding will only cause more pain. Whatever it is, let them get over it. You have pushed on. When your heart cries, love you for you. Insecurities cause you to look outside of yourself. Don't. You were blessed to fly. Every prayer will soon become an answer. Look into your soul and you will always fit in. Love life and find your own. Things will abruptly fall. That is when you need to continue moving forward. Please don't stop dreaming or imagining. You are no bother to me. Sorry. We are one. I am your strength. Use me. Allow me to lead us on. Tomorrow is only a moment away from happiness. So look on the inside. You will find me there. Claim your innocence at once. Go purchase my book. You'll change your